Did you know it takes less than 10 seconds to steal a bike? That is one of the reasons why a bike gets stolen every 90 seconds in the UK, and why 1.5 million bikes are stolen each year in the US, where bike crime is rising 10% annually. But a new solution is here. Lock has all the tech and all the toughness to save your bike, whatever the thieves try. Permanently mounted, Lock's hardened steel locking element immobilizes your bike, and the hardened casing for the lock's components is steel reinforced. As you can see, it's built to withstand anything. Once locked, Lock's motion sensors will react to any suspicious activity, triggering an alarm that startles potential thieves. And at 110 decibels, it's loud enough to alert everyone around. And you'll receive an instant warning direct to your phone, wherever you are. Lock is the only smart lock on the market with integrated GPS. You always know exactly where your bike is, so even if someone tries to steal it, you have all the data you need to get your bike back. And it couldn't be easier to use. You lock it and unlock it with your smartphone. Simple. The solar batteries built into the lock mean Lock is constantly recharging itself. The lock itself has been ruggedized to operate in the very toughest conditions. It is weather resistant and built to last. And the sharing function lets your friends and family access your bike, all at the touch of a button. So give your bike the smart security it deserves. Back us on Kickstarter by pre-ordering your Lock today. The earlier you order, the lower the price.
Introducing Rocket One, the world's first top-down DC-LF 3D printer with lightning-fast printing speed and ultra-high accuracy. At up to 380 millimeters per hour, its printing speed is 20 to 60 times faster than traditional resin printers. Rather than waiting for hours, you can now get your project done in minutes. Rocket One has not only world's fastest printing speed, but also prints with 35 millimeters accuracy than most other 3D printers. This printer can easily produce intricate details and holes as small as 0.2 millimeters, through which fluids and gases can pass freely, exactly the kind of accuracy that is required by researchers using complex models for study. Using Rocket One to print a complete figure, the finest details of skin texture are clearly seen, and parts fit together perfectly with only 0.05 millimeter one-side clearance. Even under a magnifying glass, the surface of the figure is as smooth and flawless as an injection-molded part. Powered by the first-ever top-down digital continuous liquid forming technology and self-developed rapid leveling nanometers, it is able to print models with few supports and can even print them with single support or no support at all. Thanks to the top-down printing design, Rocket One can easily print large solid materials without changing resin curing properties or using a scoop. Top-down printing also allows the prints to be protected from gravity and peeling forces, which makes it possible to print highly transparent materials. Rocket One prints as clear as glass. You can even use it to print a pair of glasses for yourself. Its top-down design makes it simple to print flexible materials as well. Rocket One enables you to print using a variety of materials in any area of your life or work. In addition, to save the amount of resin used, we have developed an inexpensive resin-insoluble bottom filler so you can print with only 300 grams of resin. Furthermore, Rocket One is intuitive and user-friendly. No leveling or professional experience is required. Just plug it in and start printing. With the light projecting from the top down to the resin surface and curing, Rocket One has no vulnerable parts such as LCD screens or release films, making it more durable and reliable. This is Rocket One, the world's first top-down DC-LF 3D printer. Ultimate speed, higher accuracy, and superb reliability. a revolutionary new resin 3D printer.
Close to me, close to me, close